Ladies and gentlemen.
All right, a recap of part one and part two. So part one went over the different Hondas and Acuras with this issue, and part two went over some low cost fixes. Part three, replace or fix the camera. All right, so buy a used camera. So this is what it looks like on eBay, so you can get an idea of the prices, or you can go to a local junkyard or salvage yard. Or you can buy a new camera. Here's some prices online, OEM prices. Or you can fix the camera. So here's a service on eBay, so you get an idea how much it costs. Or you can fix it yourself. You can just buy the part and install it yourself. Here's the price. How to remove the camera. So you're going to go behind the windshield, rear view mirror. There's a clip there. You remove the housing, just pop it off. It just clips. Just got to remove the connection. There's a button, just got to push with your thumb to release it. The camera itself is held by brackets. Just have to unclip it. All right, to open the camera, I just need a small Phillips screwdriver. And there'll be 4 screws on each corner. Be careful when pulling apart the circuit board. There's a clip, just have to pull down on it to release it. Install the replacement component for the camera. Okay, insert the component and then make sure you push down on the black clip so it's secure. Now that you fixed or replaced the camera, let's get it installed. Put the connection, it'll snap in place. You got the bracket and snap the camera in place. And then the housing and then the clip, it'll snap in place. All right, the moment of truth. We fixed or replaced the camera. Let's start it. If this video saved you $2,000, hit that like and subscribe button because this is a very common problem with Hondas, Acuras. Thanks for watching.